Okay, morning guys. We're back. Yeah, we're gonna jump back onto the MTX 50cc. It's not looking particularly good at the moment. It's in 100 different pieces. I haven't done anything since that last video. But what I am gonna do today is I'm gonna drop off my motor and gearbox with my mate Sean, and I've got a spare I'm going to drop off with him as well, and we're going to see what he can do for us now. So hopefully he can do the engine and gearbox rebuild, and then I'm going to put the bike back together and buy the remaining parts, you know. So yeah, here it is. So there are the two bikes. That's the original bike on the right, and then the donor bike on the left. And these are the two engines. You can see that I've labeled that one as the original, and then that one is the donor. You can see it's not great, but hopefully we can get a couple parts out of it. Alrighty, so I just got them loaded up, and in the back of my what we call a bakkie or a truck, you can see that one says the original, that one is the spare. So I've labeled them nicely, and yeah, take them to my mate and see how he does. So sorry that it was such a short video for the Honda MTX, but we're going to move on to something more exciting a bit later. So watch your space, subscribe, like, and send me a comment if there's a particular video or something you want me to do. And then yeah, but I think well, quite a few options here. Got another one in the back over there, TW. So yeah, we're going to do something new this coming year and try and do a few more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll keep you guys updated.